Okay, we are at 22500. We've snaked this a couple times with a 3.5 inch cutter. Let's see what we got. Seen some root intrusion. Okay, we've got root intrusion here where it converts from cast iron to crock, also crack to crock. More root intrusion. Looks like we've got a little gap in the pipe. Heavy root intrusion, more crack to crock. Cracked crock again, more root intrusion, 18 feet, 17, 18 feet out. We're going to try to clean this up with the expandable cutter. Try to buy her some more time. Okay, we are at 22500. We have run the 3.5 inch cutter multiple times and then the expandable. We want to see if there is a noticeable difference. We ran the expandable cutter 50 feet. There's something going on here we've got to talk to the city about, but we should notice a difference. Already I'm noticing a difference here at 8 feet. There was a big root intrusion. Here we've cut that clean, much cleaner. Still notice the break. A lot of these seams had roots, which I'm hoping this looks clean. Yeah, much cleaner compared to the last time we cambered it. Notice the crack all along the bottom of this sewer. More cracks. Very little root intrusion left at the seams. There's a little bit of a dangler.